Ladies and gentlemen, it is the end of an era. My Z4 is officially sold. I've just sold it and I'm now heading to pick up my dream car. It's been a dream car for the last year. My ultimate dream car is still pending, guys, okay? But this one will do for now. We're gonna go pick it up now. You already know what it is in the title. It's a M135i. And the way everything's worked out right now is absolutely unbelievable. I was supposed to trade in the Z4 in exchange for the 135, but somebody last minute came to collect it and paid me even more money that I was gonna be. Oh, guys, I'm excited. I'm happy. We're gonna drive over and go check it out. Oh my gosh, yes. There might be some more videos coming out about this car. You know what I'm saying? I might spam YouTube with this car. So wish me luck, guys. Hell yeah. Oh, that's gonna be a problem. That's gonna be a big problem. Guys, we are in the new vehicle. Hell yeah, we are. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm gonna do a tour of the vehicle at some point. But right now, I'm just driving home. And oh my gosh, I can't believe I've just paid all this money for a car. So far, oh my god, it's so comfortable. I'm literally in it for this is the first 5 minutes, even less than that, 2 minutes. I've just driven up the lot going home. Oh my goodness gracious, this is gonna be insane. It's gonna take some getting used to because I'm still looking for the gear stick. I'm looking for the clutch. My first automatic ever. I've been driving for 20 plus years and this is my first automatic, and it is the M135i. I know a lot of people don't like it because it's not as good in a sense as the M140, but to me the interior makes me want to get this. That's literally not the interior, but like advanced in technology and things of that nature. So this one, it ticks all the boxes. I wanted to get a 140i at one point, but I don't think I'm ready for a 6-cylinder just yet, man. You know what I'm saying? I'll keep it as a 4-cylinder and enjoy it as it is. And I'm about to send the power now. Oof. Jesus Christ. That's never gonna get old. Doing good, guys, doing good. And I'm using, oh, the light just come on. Oh my gosh, we got the interior lighting and everything. I know you can't see me, but you can see the light. Wow, that's pretty distracting, kinda. I like that it's not as crazy as the Mercedes one. Mercedes is just light everywhere. But this one, it's very calm, very tasteful, demure. There's so many gadgets in this car, we need to talk about it later on. Sir, there's no space for you to get into right now. Chill. We need to talk about all the specs, and that will be coming up in a later video. We're gonna talk about everything. First mission of the day is to get McDonald's. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go sit down and see what the car is telling me, because I'm still getting used to it. I'm still learning. I've put a seat warmer on and oh my god, it's hot. It's absolutely boiling. But I'm very hungry right now. I've been out since morning. I need to put some fuel in the system. I already bought petrol. Got a full tank of gas, cost me £60 roughly. Not much difference when it comes to the previous car that I had. My Z4 was about the same, really. And I'm just noticing something. The mirrors are black. Blue and black at the same time. Anyway, we're about to find out more information about these cars. The years roll on. I'm planning on holding it for a long time. Day 2 of owning this car, and I thought I'd need to show you guys properly because yesterday it was a bit of a blur. I was still getting used to the car, just trying to run away, get home and check it out myself. But yeah, I've had some time with it and now we're gonna show you the car. I'm gonna tell you more about it, so here we go. Right, this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is the Marciano Blue 2021 BMW M135i. We're inside the car right now, and so far so good, ladies and gentlemen. This is blowing my mind. I did about 18 miles yesterday, literally from the garage to home, and it was pouring down with rain, and I couldn't do anything else after that. I was just messing about with the interior and setting up everything that I need for my journeys. Like right now, I'm about to do about a 200-mile drive. Yeah, just setting it up for that. This is gonna be my honest review, not review as such, just like a, what's the word I'm looking for? My thoughts after 18 miles. So don't take anything too hard right now. The car itself is quick. I'm gonna be in so much trouble. Well, I hope I'm not in trouble, but it is rapid, el rapido. So in comparison, I'm gonna do this a lot. I'm sorry. My previous car is a Z420i, 184 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 6.6 seconds. It wasn't slow, but this one right here, guys, it's got 306 horsepower and 0 to 60 in 4.8, which is quick. Well, 0 to 62, I think. Yeah, 0 to 62 in 4.8 seconds. And I found out a couple of times yesterday. I feel like maybe it might be too much power. Not because I can't handle it, but it's just that there's no fun getting to 60. It gets there too quickly. And then by the time you put your foot down a little bit, you're already breaking the law. So I don't know. I like it. Don't get me wrong. I like it. Like I can look at anybody. I'll be like, you know what? I can beat your ass. Well, until an M or something pulls along and then trashes me. But right now, yes, I'm loving the speed. I'm loving the thing. I'm not doing too much right now. I'm just giving a little bit of, a little bit of that, a little bit of this, here and there. Nothing too crazy. The comfort level. Oh my God. Have you seen these seats right here, guys? Have you seen these seats? This bucket hugging tight seat. Oh, yes. It's so good that it just hugs you. It just holds you. And the suspension, oh, you know what? I think what it is I've had a Z4 for too long. I had it for 8 years, if I haven't mentioned that before. I think I've mentioned it maybe like 60 times, but I'm going to mention it again. I had it for 8 years, and you get used to it. You get used to all the bouncing and the rattling and all that kind of jazz that, a 13-year-old car would have. And also because it was such a low profile tire, it was 19 with, was it 30? It was, yeah. I was feeling all the bumps in that car. And this one, I saw a bump and I was like, oh, this is gonna hurt. I braced myself and I just flew over the bump. Like, I might as well be in a Rolls Royce right now, guys. I ain't gonna lie. I might as well be in a Rolls Royce. So, yeah, so far, comfort level, absolutely fantastic. Speed, absolutely incredible. And now we're gonna talk about some of the packs that came with it. I don't know all the definitions properly, but I think whoever bought this car, they gave him a sheet and they gave him unlimited money. And he said, yes, 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 yes. It ticked everything on the box apart from the aero pack. That's the only thing this car is missing. I've not seen many of these. I don't even think I've seen any with the electric tail boot. What they call it, the boot lead thingy. I'm not used to that. I've been driving a two-seater for 8 years, guys. Okay, it's got the electric boot. It's got electric seats, memory seats. Wait, let me jump out and show you. What? I can't just be waffling. I gotta show you. Ooh. That is the button for the electric boots right there. Let's get inside, see what else it's got. Oh, I'm so close to the steering wheel right now. But as you can see right there, heated steering wheel, parking assist. It's got all of that. It's got the rear view camera and all that jazz. Oh, wait, look, sunroof. This way, I'm not gonna miss the Z4 too much, because summertime I'll put this roof down and see how that feels. I feel like I need some real sunshine, some vitamin D popping in and burning my face, giving me that tan. I might not even need hats anymore, actually, speaking of which. But yeah, this is just a little bit of things that this car's got. I think we're gonna go through everything properly at some point, because right now I need to jump on this drive and I'll see you on the flip side. What else is there? Oh shoot, I gotta show you this. I don't know if you can see it. You can probably see it just flaking right there. That is the heads-up display. Yes, so it's got the tech pack, comfort access. That doesn't mean you need to come and steal it, guys. Okay, stay your ass away. What else does it have? It's got tracking, GPS. I didn't realize that tracking. I need to go back to my insurance and tell them it's got tracking. Maybe I'll get some money off. It's got all the packs. There's so many packs. I don't remember all of them, but yeah, all the packs are there. Whoever bought this car before, bravo to you. You did a good job. So we're gonna go on this drive, and obviously I'm gonna learn a few more things, and we're gonna talk about it later on in maybe the next video. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this is indeed my 2021 BMW M135i M something. There's M somewhere. So yeah, man, Marciano Blue. See you in the next one, guys. Peace.